Right, I have created a full bridge rectifier using transistors, BJT transistors. I have 3 NPN transistors and 1 PNP. You can actually use any a mix, or NPN transistors only or PNP transistors only, or mix them. So what you do is you bridge the emitter and the base together, because that has got a low voltage rating. And then you use the collector as either the cathode or the anode, depending on whether it's PNP or when it's NPN, right? This bridge rectifier, I actually built it, and it has got a 63 volts, 1000 microfarads capacitor, and a dummy load resistor, that is a 5 K1 resistor, that's a half watt. This is the transformer. It's a 230 volts input to 015. It's a split secondary output, so I only used one winding, the 15 volt winding. Actually it's giving about 17 volts. Okay, that's the AC input. If I measure here, the AC input, you can see, measure here, so that's 17 volts, 70.6 volts AC, right? I change to DC voltage, put on 200. Okay, so my DC voltage is here. Okay, if I can measure nicely without making a short. Okay, right, that's the DC output voltage there, 23.6. okay, alright, that's 23.6, and you can see I put a scope. Okay, that's 0, and then that's our DC. You can see it's moving, it's on 10 volts per division, and that's the graduation I show you. It's not really clear, but that's 10, 20, 30 there. So if I go DC, so that's from here, that's 10, 20, and just below 20 to 5 there, that's 23. Okay, that's the AC input. See, okay, that's my AC input, and still on 10 volts per division. Okay, 10 volts per division, and the center line is that one, so that's 10, 20, about 25 there, 25 volts peak. Okay, so the RMS value, you can calculate the RMS value. Okay, it's giving around 17 volts. Okay, right, right, okay, that's the input. So the transistor bridge works very fine. That's the transistor bridge there. Okay, that's my bridge, transistor bridge here, using 4 transistors. Okay, if you do not have diodes, of course. Okay, so that's a BUV26 transistor, and the other one, that's is a D2058, so 2SD2058 transistor. Okay, and then the other one is an MJE13007. Okay, and this is a TIP. The other one is a TIP 32. TIP 32. Okay, not very clear. Okay.